Hello, my name is Mayer Munoz. I am business administration student at UNAD, and at this moment I am going to talk to you about effect of technology on the environment. From my point of view, I am consider all human activities affect the environment. However, technology has accelerated the rate of impact as well as it has increased. Land degradation is at very high levels due to technology and synthetic products that are invented every day. Technology has always many problems, such as the unequal division of natural and economic resources. The rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer, left thousands of families out of work because they were replaced by machines. The same that pollute the environment, big carbon dioxide emissions, and make the air increasingly sterile, all of which increases global warming. warming. The oil technological oil industry led the thousands of catastrophes, contamination of water resources, death of animals and ecosystems, among others. Thank you.